Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to just make a quick video for you, whether you're a member or not, to see what we're doing today in this market. The market has been really, really choppy, but some of the sectors and some of the stocks have been working really well. Typically, the NASDAQ 100, the large cap stocks. Jim Cramer covered my work last night on Mad Money on analog devices. You can check that out. I'm not going to repeat myself on that, but I like that stock. We'll say above 190. How's that? But I want to show you Workday, which is something that I just put on our active trade idea list a while ago today, just this morning. So let's go ahead and look at the chart here. Okay, so you can see I've drawn this trend line, and it's not, you draw trend lines and they don't have to be horizontal. What you're really trying to do is connect the tops, because that is resistance. And sometimes this is your trend line. This is a more valuable trend line than this one, because at least you get an early notification if you've got a trend line down here. So there's any number of ways that you can draw these. I can't turn this into a trend line course right now. But so what I did with Workday was I just kind of drew this line here, and this is on TC 2000. I didn't even think to set an alert on Thinkorswim platform, which is my trading platform. This is just my charting platform, which I've used for almost 30 years. Almost 30 years. And if it ain't broke, why replace it? So I just drew a line here, and I set an alert. And so it popped off. And I decided we're going to take this stock. So my suggestion was that we buy it this morning, 194.75. I kind of felt like, if I'd got the alert early, I just wasn't at my phone. I would have wanted to buy it even down here, but I'm still comfortable with this 194.75, because if you look at this chart, I'm not talking about the double bottom there. I'm looking at it this way. The last time the stock has hit this price was back here in May, when it was on its way down. And so this has had all this time, almost a year, to be kind of gathering itself. And certainly over the last couple months, this has really been kind of grinding around in a, well, we'll just say in a fairly tight base here relative to the rest. So I like the way this is trading. You look at this on the weekly chart, and it's not, look, admittedly, this is a pretty sloppy chart. It's kind of all over the place, but you can see, drawing trend lines, higher lows and higher highs. And that's what we like. We're buying the stock right here. And me likey. So anyway, that's all I got for you this morning. If you are not a member of Stock Market Mentor, let me say that I think now is an excellent time to try it out. The market's starting to turn around. I've got several stocks on our active trade list that are doing really, really well. I'm going to keep you out of trouble and keep you in the money. That is my focus. My number one focus is to do that. So check it out. We have a trial period. You're not really risking anything. Riskless trades, I'll take those damn things all day long. Okay, I'll see you next time.